So Happy and Polly sent me their Monster World cat tree, so I just want to do a quick unboxing assembly and see if Tiger likes it. And so inside we're gonna have the cat basket itself, 2 leaf petals, the soft round part, the petal bases, the stem scratching post, the base with a Happy and Polly tag right over here, some hardware, and the instructions. And here's all the pieces included, which is only gonna be 8 things. And so building this is pretty straightforward. We start with the base and then put the bolt and washer through the bottom and screw in the stem. And then both petals can be screwed in. And now we can use the fabric covers on top. And now we can attach the head.
And after I finished setting everything up, Tiger immediately came and just instinctively started scratching the post. And he didn't jump up immediately, so I just put him up on top and he looked pretty comfortable. He just started kneading the pillow and I think he found his favorite spot. So I left him here for a little bit, went to the gym, and when I came back, I actually found that he fell asleep in the flower itself. So I'm really happy that he likes it.
Yeah, so overall I'm really impressed with this Happy and Polly cat tree. It looks really nice. It's something I've never seen like this before. It's extremely easy to go ahead and build, and also this feels really secure. Like, I feel like this is made out of some sort of metal, and this is surprisingly heavy as well too. And it's not only a nice cat tree, but also a nice decoration as well too. So if you want to check out a new cat tree for your cat, definitely check this one out by Happy and Polly.